Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm adding a new segment about how to earn money by taking surveys and getting cash in hand on the spot by just sharing your opinion. A fun fact about me is I used to do a lot of these paid research and paid opinion studies in college to earn extra cash. These are really easy to do to make a couple of $100s and even thousands of dollars very quickly. So in this video, I will go over a few paid studies that you may qualify for. So the first study is for San Francisco, San Mateo, Marin, Alameda, and Contra Costa County residents that is 21 years old and older. This is a one-day study that is in Emeryville, California. The study will be held on Wednesday, August 31st from 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. To thank you for your time, you will receive an incentive of $350 for participating. A continental breakfast, deli lunch, and refreshments are provided. This research will involve listening to a presentation, filling out questionnaires which involve reading and writing, and discussing your opinions in a group setting. A brief online survey will be required prior to the study, so the following link for the study will be listed down below in the description. The second study is for Columbia, Dane, Greene, Iowa, Jefferson, Rock, and Sauk County residents age 18 and older. This will be a one-day opinion study in Madison. The study will be held on Friday, August 26th, or you can go on Saturday, August 27th from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. on either day. To thank you for your time, you will receive an incentive of $225 cash for participating. Breakfast, deli lunch, and refreshments will be provided as well. And this research will involve listening to a presentation, filling out questionnaires, reading and writing, and discussing your opinions in a group setting. The following link for this study will be also listed down in the description below so that you can go ahead and sign up. The third study is for Marin County residents age 21 and older, and you are needed for a half-day opinion study in San Mateo. This study will be held on Wednesday, August 17th from either 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. or you can go 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. And to thank you for your time, you will receive an incentive of $250 for participating. Snacks and refreshments are provided. And this research will involve listening to a presentation, filling out questionnaires, which involves reading and writing and discussing your opinions in a group setting. A brief survey online will be required prior to the study, which will be listed down below. The fourth one is an opinion research for $300. And if you're in Irving or Las Colinas, Texas, you should check this one out. On Wednesday, August 24th, there will be an opinion research session at a nice facility in Irving. Qualified participants will give their opinion on written questionnaires, and you also be in a focus group discussion. Breakfast, lunch, snacks, and breaks every 2 hours will be provided. They will include every type of educational background, and priority will be given to those with no college degree. You will be paid before you leave at the end of the day. If you would be interested in this, make sure to click the link below and fill out the question survey to begin registering. And also, they do note that if you do register, someone will call you from a 318 area code. So make sure you keep that in your notes and beware if you're the type of person that don't like to pick up unknown calls. Remind yourself that you are filling out this link and they will be calling from a 318 area code. Again, the following link for this study will be listed down below in the description box so that you can earn $300 on this study. The fifth study is for $125 for 45 minutes of your time if you are located located in Houston, Texas. A market research and usability company is looking for consumers for various health, technology, and vehicle studies. Sessions may be in person or online. The next project is an actual in-person study that is 45 minutes long, and participants will receive $125. Participants must be the ages of 18 and 80 years of age and have a valid driver's license. To see if the study would be a fit for you, please fill out the questionnaire, which will be in the following link down below in the description. The last study we're going to talk about is a major depression research studies. This study pays up to $1,000, and if you in Bel Air, Texas, you may be one of those qualifying participants. Do you or a loved one have major depression, trouble sleeping? If so, you may qualify for this research studies. Right now, local doctors are looking for people with major depression and insomnia to join local research studies. So for more information, you can go visit studiesfordepression.com. Again, if you do qualify, you may receive payment up to $1,000. Also, the studies do vary. There is no cost for the study. Related care from local doctors are in the study. No cost study medication is needed. Plus, no health insurance is needed for the study. The following link for the study will be listed in the description down below, so make sure you check it out. If you do not qualify for any of these studies, well, please share this video with someone who does. I'm currently working on presenting more paid studies and research opinion groups for all of my viewers. If you guys like this content, just make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know if you want me to bring out more content like this. I know this is very new to the channel, and I just want to make sure you guys get as many opportunities as you can to earn extra cash. So make sure you subscribe to find out the latest, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.